Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Excel Tech and Tricks. In this video, we're going to discuss how to remove table from Excel. Let's watch this video and follow the step-by-step methods. But before heading towards the solutions, make sure to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Now, let's move on to know how to remove table from Excel. Method 1, converting it to a range. You may want to remove the formatting of an Excel table and convert your data back to its regular range. To remove an Excel table and change it back into a range, right-click on a cell in the Excel table. Navigate to the Table option. Press Convert to Range. Select the range that still has the automatic formatting. Click the Home tab in the top banner. Find the editing group. Hit Clear. Select Clear Formats. Method 2, delete an Excel table with automatic formatting. There might be times when you want to delete an Excel table entirely. This can remove both the table formatting and the data inside it. To delete an Excel table completely, you have to select any cell within the Excel table. Press the Ctrl and A buttons on your keyboard twice to select the entire table. Press the Delete button on your keyboard. Method 3, delete an Excel table with manual formatting. The process of deleting an Excel table with manual formatting is different from deleting an Excel table with automatic formatting. To delete both the Excel table and the formatting you applied manually, you have to select any cell within the Excel table. Press the Ctrl and A buttons on your keyboard twice to select the entire table. Click the Home tab in the top banner. Find the editing group. Hit Clear. Press Clear All. Fix worksheet-related issues using Excel Repair tool. If you are facing any error or issue due to Excel file corruption, then you can download the Excel Repair tool by clicking on the link given in the description box. This software is designed with an advanced algorithm to repair all sorts of damages, corruption, and errors in the Excel file. Therefore, just try it and see how it works. So, this is all about how to remove table from Excel in 3 easy ways. If you found this video useful, then give it a like, share it with other users, and also don't forget to subscribe to our channel to watch more useful videos. Thanks for watching.